Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are going to talk about TVS Raider 125 2025 features. TVS Raider 125 2025 is here to revolutionize the way you ride. A perfect combination of power, technology, and style, this motorcycle is built for those who demand more from their everyday journey. Its aggressive stance, aerodynamic design, and striking LED lighting make it an instant head-turner. The muscular fuel tank with dynamic graphics gives it a sporty character, making sure you stand out on the road. With a sleek and modern appeal, the Raider 125 represents the next generation of two-wheelers, designed for riders who crave adventure and excitement in every ride. At the heart of the Raider 125 lies a powerful 124.8cc air and oil-cooled engine, delivering an impressive 11.4 bhp of power and 11.2 Nm of torque. This refined engine ensures best-in-class performance, making acceleration smooth and thrilling. Whether you're zipping through city traffic or cruising on the highway, the Raider 125 responds instantly, providing a seamless riding experience. The advanced fuel injection system optimizes efficiency, delivering outstanding mileage without compromising power. With a 5-speed gearbox, shifting gears is smooth and effortless, ensuring precise control and enhanced riding pleasure. SmartXonnect technology takes the Raider 125 to the next level, offering a fully digital instrument cluster that provides real-time updates. From speed and fuel levels to turn-by-turn navigation and call alerts, everything is at your fingertips. The intelligent voice-assisted features make your ride safer and more convenient, allowing you to stay connected without distractions. With two distinct ride modes, Eco and Power, you can switch between maximum fuel efficiency and peak performance depending on your needs. Whether it's a daily commute or a weekend adventure, the Raider 125 adapts to your riding style with ease. Comfort is a top priority in the Raider 125. The well-cushioned split seat ensures a comfortable ride for both rider and pillion, making long journeys effortless. The ergonomically designed handlebars and perfectly positioned footpegs provide an ideal riding posture, reducing fatigue and enhancing comfort. The advanced suspension system, featuring telescopic front forks and a gas-charged monoshock at the rear, absorbs shocks with precision, delivering a smooth and stable ride on any terrain. Every detail is engineered to maximize comfort and ensure that every ride is a pleasure. Safety and control are paramount, and the Raider 125 is designed with cutting-edge features to enhance rider confidence. The synchronized braking technology ensures shorter stopping distances and better stability, giving you complete control in all conditions. The wide tubeless tires provide superior grip, reducing the chances of skidding on slippery surfaces. The lightweight chassis enhances maneuverability, making it easy to navigate tight city streets and sharp corners. Whether you're riding in heavy traffic or on open roads, the Raider 125 guarantees a safe and secure experience. Built for riders who refuse to settle for ordinary, the Raider 125 is packed with features that set it apart from the competition. The sharp LED headlamp with integrated daytime running lights ensures maximum visibility, enhancing safety and adding to its bold look. The sculpted bodywork, sporty exhaust, and race-inspired elements make it a standout performer in the 125cc segment. Practicality meets style with under-seat storage, a USB charging port, and a keyless ignition system, making every ride more convenient and enjoyable. With its perfect balance of power, efficiency, and modern technology, the TVS Raider 125 is more than just a motorcycle, it's an extension of your personality. Whether you're a daily commuter or an adventure seeker, the Raider 125 is built to make every ride exciting. Its lightweight frame ensures effortless handling, while the refined engine guarantees exhilarating performance at every twist of the throttle. The Raider 125 redefines what a 125cc bike can achieve, setting new benchmarks in the segment. TVS has crafted the Raider 125 for those who seek more from their rides. Its sleek and aggressive design, combined with futuristic technology, makes it the ideal choice for modern riders. The ride modes allow you to switch between economy and performance, giving you complete control over your journey. Whether you're accelerating on open roads or navigating through busy streets, the Raider 125 adapts to your riding needs with precision and ease. With an eye-catching design and best-in-class features, the Raider 125 stands as a leader in its segment. The premium color options and stylish finish add to its sophisticated appeal, making it a motorcycle that not only performs but also looks stunning. The under-seat storage and additional smart features enhance convenience, ensuring that practicality is never compromised. The Raider 125 is designed for those who demand excellence in every aspect of their ride. As the motorcycle of the future, the TVS Raider 125 2025 redefines two-wheeler innovation. It's the perfect blend of power, style, and technology, built to deliver an unmatched riding experience. Whether you're an experienced rider or just starting your journey, the Raider 125 offers something for everyone. With TVS's legacy of engineering excellence, this bike pushes the limits of what's possible in the 125cc segment. The road is yours to conquer. Embrace the future with the TVS Raider 125 2025. Please like and subscribe to my channel so you never miss any updates.